This is just a brief tutorial on how to set up Skype very quickly here. The first thing you want to do is adjust some of your settings. This is assuming you already have an account, you've already set up an account. And you want to, with your account here, you want to set up your profile. So I've included a lot of stuff in my profile here. And the next thing you want to do is go to Tools menu and click on Options, and here's some important things here. I like for my Skype to open up every time I start Windows. So I'm online automatically if I'm on the computer. You can set your audio settings here. Microphone, little green bar that jumps up. Check your speakers. For troubleshooting, you can do that. You can adjust your video here and just actually adjust your webcam, camera control if you want to zoom in a little bit. Also under the options menu, privacy. I only allow calls from people in my contact list, and I'll show you in a minute how to build that contact list. I do allow instant messages from anyone. However, I have had some trouble with spam in the past, and I've had to block particular people from sending me instant messages. Just spam stuff. For notifications, I like to know when my contacts are online so I know whether they're available to take a phone call or not. So a little green check mark means that they're online, and if I've checked this box here, it means that I get a little notification that pops up on my screen on the bottom right hand corner each time one of my contacts comes online. If they send me a file or an instant message, I also get a little pop-up box that lets me know that. So these are basically the options that I prefer to use. As far as adding contacts to the list, you can add a contact by typing in their email address or just looking for them, searching by name. It will automatically look through all the people who have Skype accounts, and you can look and see if any of them match the person you're looking for. Then you click on Add for the contacts. It sends them an invitation. If they accept, then you exchange contact information and they become part of your list. So you can build lists that way. You can also add contacts by importing them from Outlook or importing them from Facebook. But again, it's only people who have active Skype accounts at the time right there. Now, what about your online status? Your online status, if you set it to let people know when you're online, that's fine. But if you're busy and don't want to take calls, you can always click the Do Not Disturb, or you can click away if you've stepped away but your computer's still on. If your computer is in sleep mode, it will show you as offline. For example, these green checks here, these people are currently online. These people are offline right now. Now, how do you place a phone call? You click on the name on your contact list and you click video call. Now, this is only going to pop up for a second because this is not an active number here. So what I've done here instead is just pulled a screenshot from what it would look like. If this person had answered, their picture would show up here. It would change these boxes just a little bit. I can do things like turn my video on or off. If this was an active phone call where it says share here, I would be able to share my desktop, anything I have open on my desktop, another computer program, a file, anything like that. I could show them so that they're looking at it also. So it's several things you can do with that. I can add more people because I have an advanced account. If you want to do some kind of chat, typing text chat to go along with it, you click on this bubble right here. And then, of course, this to end the call. This down here would be where you type the instant message and then you send it. You can also send a file by clicking here, and there are a couple other things you can send that are some add-ons. But those are the basic features of Skype, so go look some people up now, add them to your contact list, and start making those Skype calls.